In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account in Zoho Books. Connecting your bank is one of the easiest ways to keep your accounting up to date because it lets Zoho Books automatically pull in your transactions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll share some tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, log into your Zoho Books account and head over to the main dashboard. From here, look for the banking section in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on Banking. This is where Zoho Books keeps all of your bank and credit card accounts, as well as any transaction feeds that are already connected. Once you're on the banking page, you'll see an option that says Connect Bank or Credit Card. Click on that. This tells Zoho Books that you want to set up a new connection so it can start importing your bank transactions for you. Next, Zoho Books will show you a list of supported banks and credit card providers. If you see your bank in this list, simply select it. After you click on it, you'll usually be prompted to connect. At this point, Zoho may redirect you to a secure window where you sign into your online banking. Just follow the instructions on screen, and remember to have your online banking username, password, and any two-factor authentication method ready, such as a code sent to your phone or an authentication app. If your bank is not listed, that's okay. On the same screen, look for the option to add a bank or credit card account manually. Click on that. Zoho Books will then ask you for some basic details such as the bank name, account name, and the type of account. Fill those in carefully and then click on Add Account. This won't create a live feed, but it sets up the account so that you can either upload statements or record transactions manually. Finally, once you've chosen your bank or added an account manually, just follow the on-screen prompts. These might include choosing which specific accounts to connect, selecting a start date for importing transactions, or confirming that you agree to the connection. Take a moment to review each screen before you click Next, so your data imports exactly how you want it. When you're done, Zoho Books will start syncing your transactions. From there, you can categorize them and reconcile your books much